I'm outside today because I have my outdoors boots on. They are really chunky and quite gothy, right? That's why I'm wearing my fishnets, these really big ones, or big holed ones. These boots are by Koi Footwear and they are fake leather and they have a platform. I bought them because I thought they would be easy to walk in outside, and I think they are. Maybe they are not the easiest like on the rocks, but otherwise they are really comfortable. They are like one size fits all. So there's room to grow my thighs. Let me know if you like this outdoors. Does it look nice with the nature background? I really like to walk here, so I'm happy to bring you with me. Yay! These are very chunky, so I don't know if you could take these kicks. Let's kick the tree. Oh no. A pine cone or whatever cone. It wanted to stick in my boot, like here. A bumble. These are quite dirty because they are my outdoors boots. More kicks. Is it fun to see me? All of me. Oh no. You have turned into a pine cone. How did this happen? Maybe because we are outside. Don't worry. You get to enjoy this. You just love to get stepped on. And you turn back into a whole beautiful pine cone. There was a flying tiny man. He escaped. Maybe he doesn't like to get stepped on. More magic. Ooh! Beautiful jump. Let's try that again. Can you hear the crows? They are cheering for you. Did you enjoy being my little pine cone? I think you did. Sweaty. I'm sure you'd love to feel my sweaty legs now. If you need hydration, you can go swim in my boots now. Next pair. I have changed my outfit. And it's the same day. Don't worry. No one saw me. Now I'm going to wear these boots. They're really similar looking, right? But these koi footwears, they are more chunky, and these have the there's a what is it? Rock. Many rocks. You get to see them soon. But yeah, these are even and odds shoes that I did unboxing. Now you see them in action. Oh no! The fake zipper, it got stuck in my fishnets. There rocks, a couple. Maybe I'll show you close-ups, but these are apparently white and they have been painted black because there's white marks now because I wore them after I got them many times. Okay, let's do some kicking. And this is how these boots look like. They are a bit more tighter than the koi boots, and they have the zipper detail. Ah! Let's imagine this little tree as a bad guy. Ah! Oh no! What did he do to me? Spike attack. Bad guy. Bad guy. I won. I forgot to do these kicks and jumps. Really stumpy. And these boots are like rock collectors. They like to collect little pebbles like you. Enough of kicking. I want to step on you. Look how cute you look today. Such a beautiful, perfect pine cone boy. Ready to get stepped on. You are back. Perfect. Just the way you are. With heel. Oh, you dodged. Are you gonna dodge again? I think not. I want to show you close-ups of my dirty boots, my rock collectors. I think it would be really comfortable and snug between those teeth. Let me know if you prefer these or these boots. They have their differences. I made a little treat video for my loyal fans, followers. It's like uncensored upskirts and kicking. So if you follow me there, you can see it. Yay! And I have some really fun videos on the video store on my loyal. I cannot like link it here, so go to my Twitter or Insta. There's links for you. Let me know if you want more outdoor videos, because I can do a couple more before it gets cold. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye 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 bye.